Welcome to our science fair here in CISB. This is the major flagship event here in the science department. It allows them to develop their love for science and also allows them to have a taste of what a science career could be.
I learned the different types of solar panels at first and how solar panels work.
So this is a homemade drone that we've made. I think I've improved my skills in creating these things. Well, before I actually learned about this, but making a real drone with having the opportunity of making this, I think sure is something that's quite useful.
So my project is about how different sounds affect heart rate. So I was able to create a hypothesis and prove it with my experiment supported my hypothesis was supported by my experiment.
I think it's really fun and collaborative.
Though sometimes it can be hard because many people have different opinions and it can be hard to find out which one should we do.
Well, yes, but yeah, at last we came to the same idea and made this trifle.
We felt like there was a sort of sense of confidence in how he presented his work, and that is something that we really liked.
给孩子提供了一个非常好的平台，让他们能够去动手实验啊，搜集资料啊，能去找很多不同的资源，然后去验证一些就是科学的假想也好，然后真实的论证也好，都是一种很好的体验。所以还希望这种科学的展览继续办下去。